Hello and welcome to the InstanetFax Intelligent Cover Sheet introductory video. The InstanetFax Intelligent Cover Sheet allows you to fax paper documents to any email address in the world. It's intelligent because it allows you to fax multiple documents using one cover sheet, and your recipient will get multiple PDF attachments to that email, and those PDF attachments will already be named with the file names that you've specified when you've created the cover sheet. It's an offline cover sheet because you can download it from your account to your computer and use it over and over again, so you don't need to go online to access it again later. So how does it work? As you go through and put in email addresses and specify document names and so forth, we dynamically create a barcode that will tell us how to route that fax and turn it into an email, and what documents to attach, how many pages they are, what to name them, etc. And so you'll be faxing that to a toll-free number, as you can see, and again your recipient will get that fax as an email. So how do you access it? Simply go into your account, your transaction desk account, your DocBox or Instanet Forms plus DocBox account. Click on the InstanetFax link in the top center of the page, and it'll bring you to the offline cover sheet page, and there you can click on the big orange button to download it. You can also click here to download the offline cover sheet. We also recommend you download the user guide while you're on this page so you can reference it later if you need to. When you download it, you want to save it to a location on your hard drive by clicking the save button there, and make sure that you put it in a location where you can easily find it and access it later. So this is the cover sheet, and there's really two ways to use it. Using a simple cover sheet, which works the same way the InstanetFax cover sheet works today, or using and creating an intelligent cover sheet. I'm going to show you the simple method first, and the simple version first, just so you know how to do it. It's very easy. Just put in your email addresses, the carbon copy in the email addresses, the subject, the message, which will be the body of the email. Click on the big print button there, and that's it. Now you have an intelligent cover sheet that you've printed out, or I'm sorry, the simple cover sheet that you've printed out. You put it on your paper document and you fax it to the toll-free number that you see at both at the top and the bottom of that page. Your recipient will get an email with a PDF attachment named InstanetFax document, and that email will be branded if you've branded your account, your transaction desk, DocBox, or Instanet Forms account. Now, to use the intelligent cover sheet, you're going to click on that big orange button on the cover sheet, and it will launch a wizard that will simply guide you through the process. You can fill out the fields as needed and then print from there. So go ahead and put in the to email address, carbon copy addresses if you want that. Blind carbon copy functionality is in the intelligent version as well. Click on the next button, put in the subject, again the message, which will be the body of the email, and now below that you see two options. Send a copy to myself is checked by default, so that will already be checked, so you will get a copy of that same email that your recipient or recipients get. You can also optionally have a faxback cover sheet go along with the email, so that if you have documents that you want your recipients to sign, they can print the attachments, sign them, put the faxback cover sheet on it, and when they fax it back to you, also at the same toll-free number, you're going to get an email with those signed documents attached as PDFs. So go ahead and click on the next button, and this is where we'll define the names of the documents and the number of pages of each. So you check on the box that says split fax into multiple documents, define the pages, page numbers, and the document names. So here we have a 6-page contract, a 1-page addendum. Fill that out, click print, put the cover sheet on top of your documents in the order that you specified in that last step of the wizard, fax it to the toll-free number, and your client gets an email that looks something like this. You can see the contract and the addendum are separate attachments. We also have the faxback cover sheet. Again, the email is branded. If you've branded your account, there's the brokerage banner on top, your photo, and of course your contact information is included in the email. So once again, to access InstanetFax the intelligent offline cover sheet, just go to the InstanetFax link in your account and download it. And that's it. So thank you very much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy the use of the InstanetFax intelligent offline cover sheet.